Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, this is your science book which is Science Fact File 1. Students, we are starting the first chapter which is Science Skills. We covered the topic what is science, laboratory safety, taking measurement. And now we are covered the topic handling data. Now we are learn about the line graphs and pie charts at the page number 10 and understand the concepts which is given in this topic. Line graphs and pie charts are another way to represent the data in picture form. First of all, we discuss about the line graph. We draw the line graph on a graph paper. There are two lines, x-axis and y-axis. We take time in minutes at x-axis and temperature of tea in degrees Celsius at y-axis. Now, move on description. A line graph is useful because it also shows results as a picture. You can also use it to read off values which you have not measured. हम इसमें ऐसी वैल्यू को भी मेजर करते हैं जो कि हम मेजर नहीं कर सकते. Students, look at the chart carefully. You can see that the highest temperature of the tea is 60 degrees Celsius. This temperature is gradually decreased with the increase of time. Here you can see that at a specific temperature, the temperature of the tea cannot be changed and remains constant with the increase of time. At this temperature, where the temperature of the tea remains constant, is called room temperature. In this chart, the room temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. So, line graph is useful to measure those values which we cannot measure. Students, here you can see a box. Let's start reading. The highest air temperature ever recorded on Earth was 56.7 degrees Celsius at Death Valley, USA on 10th July 1913. The next chart is pie chart. A pie chart is another way of showing information as a picture. The size of the slice in the pie chart indicates the proportion of numerical data. Students, here you can see a pie chart. It's round shape and you can see a different slides in this pie chart, and the size of the slides depend upon the percentage of the data. If you have 50%, the slice of the pie chart is larger than the other, and you can see here 25%, 16% and 9%, and the slice of this percentage is smaller than that of summer, which is 50%. This pie chart shows the proportions of the students who liking each season of the year. 50% students like the summer, 25% students like the winter season, 16% students like the spring season, and the slice of the spring season is smaller than that of winter season, and 9% students like the autumn season. Now we cover the test yourself number 4 on the page number 10. So let's start. Question number 5. Look at the line graph above. A part. What was the temperature of the tea at the start? Students, you can see here that the temperature at the 0 time, the temperature of the tea is 60 degrees Celsius, and when the time is increased, the temperature of the tea gradually decrease. So the temperature of the tea is 60 degrees Celsius. The answer is, at the start, the temperature of the tea is 60 degrees Celsius. B part. How long did it take for the temperature of the tea to fall to 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस? स्टूडेंट्स, आपने इस ग्राफ की तरफ देखना है और देखना है कि 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस जब टेम्परेचर था तो तब टाइम कितना था. आपने सबसे पहले देखना है कि यहाँ पर 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस कहाँ पर है. तो यू कैन सी हियर डैट हियर इज़ 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. यू कैन ड्रॉ अ triangle on this temperature. You can take a single line and then downward. Here the time is 2 minutes. So the answer is it takes 2 minutes for the temperature of tea to fall at 30 degrees Celsius. Question number 5, C part is, what was the temperature of the room where the experiment was carried out? Students, where the temperature of the tea remains constant, there is a room temperature. Because after this temperature, the temperature of the tea cannot be decreased. So the answer of this question is at 20 degrees Celsius, the temperature of the room where the experiment is carried out. Question number 6, look at the pie chart. Question number 6, A part is, which is the most popular season of the year for this group of students? तो आपने ये बताना है कि कौन सा सीज़न है जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स पसंद करते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन सी दिस pie chart, and here you can see that the largest slice on the pie chart is summer season, which is 50%. So the answer of the A part is summer is the most popular season of the year for this group of students. Question number 6, B part is, what proportion of the students choose spring as their favorite season? You can see the pie chart. The percentage of this spring season is 16%. So the answer of this question is 16% students choose spring as their favorite season. Question number 6, C part is, this data came from 40 students. How many students choose winter as their favorite season? स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर हम देखें, अगर हम 40 स्टूडेंट्स के हिसाब से इस पाई चार्ट को लेके चलते हैं तो 40 स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं उसमें से 20 स्टूडेंट जो है वो समर सीज़न को लाइक करते हैं, यानी कि 50%. और अगर हम 50% का हाफ करते हैं, यानी कि विंटर सीज़न को 25% स्टूडेंट्स लाइक करते हैं, तो 20 को हाफ करें, यानी कि 10 स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो हमारे पास किसको लाइक करते हैं? विंटर सीज़न को. सो द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज़ 10 स्टूडेंट्स choose winter season as their favorite season. So students, we all learn about line graphs, pie charts, and test yourself at page number 10. I hope you will understand the concepts which is given in this topic. Stay safe at your homes and keep praying for your country. Allah Hafiz.